Hello students, welcome. Today we will learn I sound, phonetic sound I. I is a American diphthong vowel sound which is a combination of two different vowel sounds A and E. E. E is a short vowel sound. This is a combination of two sounds and give the sound. For example, I am taking word is my, I. Next is shine, shy, rhyme. Try to speak with me and understand the sounds and focus on your lips, tongue and teeth movement. Then you will understand correctly. Word is wine, pine. Now word is behind. In this word you have to tell me where is I sound produced.